If your organization uses version control systems like GitHub, Bitbucket or GitLab, you probably are aware that the code as an intellectual property is one of the most important assets inside your company. You and your team spend thousands of hours and money working on, improving and supporting projects. And without the proper protection of your IP, your business might not be able to harness the full potential of the code created by your employees. One of the hardest parts of being a leader is convincing your team and superiors that even when the code is hosted within such reliable companies like GitHub, GitLab or Atlassian, it still might get lost. In today's video, I will provide you with more arguments to back you up in the conversation with your superiors and team members to convince them that GitHub, GitLab and Bitbucket backup software is something crucial for your organization. One of the most common issues when it comes to cybersecurity incidents is human error. This is the problem we can really never underestimate, especially as developers tend to have one GitHub account that they use both for professional and personal purposes, sometimes mixing the repositories. Head overwrite, branch deletion, developer mistakes or losing a local copy are only a few of the most common reasons for data loss. If you choose not to protect your data, that kind of problem can really make your work useless and put your company at risk of losing money. Not only human error or hacker attacks can lead to losing access to your data, but they can be also influenced by many sorts of hardware and software failures. Hardware and software failure can occur on the client side. And if your data is not protected well enough, it can all be lost, especially if you work with Git only on your own local server. Adding to that problems with synchronization, saving repositories and downloading them, you can see a wide range of issues that can slow down, postpone or even disable the development process and expose your company to financial loss. So that was problems that await your Git repositories. Here, if you want, is another video on that topic, and if you enjoyed this one, leave a like, subscribe to this channel, check our sites gitprotect.io and zopro.com. See you in the next video, goodbye.